Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into setting up Todoist for personal productivity, your complete guide for 2025. First off, you'll want to download the Todoist app from your App Store and create an account. It's crucial to have the app as it allows you to manage your tasks from any device, anywhere. Now that we've got that sorted, let's start by creating your first project. Click on the plus icon and name your project. This could be personal, work, or anything that suits your needs. Projects help us because they categorize tasks, making it easier to navigate and prioritize. Next up, let's add tasks to your project. Click on Add Task, write your task, and set a due date. The reason we do this is to give each of your tasks a timeline, which helps you avoid procrastination and ensures you stay on top of your responsibilities. Now we move to the important part, setting priorities. You'll see 4 levels of priority. Assigning a priority level helps us by ensuring that the most critical tasks are done first. Let me explain why this matters. Without priorities, all tasks seem equally important, leading to confusion and inefficiency. Todoist's priority system lets you focus on what's truly important. Finally, let's look at labels and filters. Labels are like tags for your tasks. You can add multiple labels to a single task. Filters, on the other hand, allow you to view tasks based on certain criteria. This helps us because it streamlines task management and maximizes productivity. And there you have it. Your Todoist is now set up for personal productivity. Remember, the key is consistent use and regular updates. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more organized 2025.